Hey Internet, this is Doc Coleman here, and I thought I'd share a little something with y'all that came in the mail today. So, little live unboxing. Hey Dad. Uh, uh, Julianne, it's packing material. Underneath that, we have the first copies of my new book, The Shining Cog and Other Steampunk Tales. Beautiful cover by Starla Hutchton. It's the first time I've held it in my hands. And this lovely book is available. There we go. Is available on Amazon. If you get in touch with me, it's available from me. And on September 1st at the Maryland Renaissance Festival at the Page After Page bookstore, I'll be having a signing, and they'll have these in stock. They won't have these, but they'll have their own copies. You can buy it. The lovely book is only $8.99. It contains 6 steampunk stories, of which 4 of them are in the Crackle and Bang universe that was created in Perils of Prague. So, finally got my own copies for taking to conventions and stuff. So, thought I'd share that with you. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I'll see you later. Bye.